Bhagyashree?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Bhagyashree, please briefly introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Bhagyashree Naikele. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have done my graduation in BSc from University of Rajasthan, and at present I am serving as an officer trainee in Iritim, Lucknow, and as an IRMS probationer, opted for account services. And sir, my hobbies include performing lazim dance, drawing sanskar performing lazim dance, a type of folk dance, drawing Sanskar Bharati Rangoli designs, and I have a keen interest in search engine optimization.
Optimization of what?
Of search engine, sir.
Okay, Bhagyashree, you have chosen 4 services, obviously, but have you not chosen the foreign service?
Yes, sir. Sir, Indian Foreign Service is a very prestigious service as we can represent our country. But sir, because of some personal reasons, like my father and mother don't want to go out of the country because of my ailing grandmother, and I want to stay with them to take care of them. That's why I have not opted for foreign services.
Okay, you are a debater.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to give you 30 seconds each to for and against debate the issue artificial intelligence for humanity.
Sir, both for and against.
Yes, 30 seconds each.
Artificial intelligence for humanity, the 4 points. That artificial intelligence can help human beings with the help of medicines, reach, like we have seen in Meghalaya also, that medicine delivery was done. Second is, sir, traffic analysis, other type of analytics. Third is, sir, in the business, in the economic sector also, it can contribute to humanity by expanding their living conditions. Sir, against debate will be that artificial intelligence is rather artificial. It lacks human touch. So sensitivity is somewhat missing. The humanity aspect is missing. Second will be, sir, artificial intelligence can drive human beings to certain serious repercussions like cyber accidents, data breaches. And third is, sir, artificial intelligence is having a wider scope, and it can go beyond humanity. If human beings are lacking control over it, then it can lead some of the disasters too.
Coming to Iran, recently there have been a lot of news about Iran, and there is a movement of US fleet, Abraham Lincoln, into Iran. What is your analysis of the situation? If US does attack Iran, likely repercussions for India?
Sir, there have been recent protests in Iran regarding the internal factors, but US has tried to intervene, and it has also threatened. The likely repercussions for India can be as follows. Like, firstly, India has some investment in Iran, like Chabahar port. So US can pressurize India of not using them. So second will be the trade aspect, which Iran and India has. Some commodities which India and Iran trade, it can also have negative impact on India's exports. And third is, sir, the bilateral relations, that we are facing somewhat difficulties in balancing the multilateral relations as of now. So it is going to be more difficult in the future if US is going to attack Iran.
Last question. Arab foreign ministers are in Delhi for a meeting tomorrow. Why? What is the agenda? Have you read about this?
Sir, I have lightly read about this, but not very deep. Like, I know the name that UAE minister is there, Al Nayan, but I don't know the exact agenda. Sir, I will make myself update.
Okay, Bhagyashree, you've taken sociology. So can you name one Indian author of sociology and evaluate the contribution made by that person to sociology?
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to name M.N. Srinivasji. The concept of Sanskritization, Westernization. Sir, I find that concept still relevant in India. Like, Sanskritization was about adapting the behavior by lower caste to upper caste, so that their behavior changes, they can face upward mobility. Sir, we can also assess this in present circumstances. like those people who belong to rural areas, when they shift to urban areas, sir, they are likely to adapt to such behavior. Use spoon, forks for eating, go to cinemas. So, sir, such type of behavior, I can say that it is a type of Sanskritization. However, sir, I can say that nowadays we are seeing desanskritization also. Like one tribe is there who uses bamboo sticks for deriving some medicines, a soup which is very nutritious. During COVID-19 pandemic, urban areas people realized that their lifestyle is not that healthy. So they are trying to go to villages, the behavior food of the villagers to be healthy. Sir, both aspects are there, and M. N. Srinivas has contributed much.
How has he contributed?
Sir, through his concept of Sanskritization, Westernization, analysis of caste system, and village studies, pioneer of village studies.
Okay. There have been a lot of suicide deaths in Maharashtra.
Yes.
Can you tell me why and how will you prevent it as a district magistrate? What will you do?
Sir, majority of death in Maharashtra about suicide is farmer suicide. Sir, this is prevalent in majority of Vidarbha region where I belong, and especially in the Bid district. Sir, I can prevent this with the help of providing facilities to farmers. Like irrigation facility is not there in majority of Maharashtra, and the Vidarbha region falls in the rain shadow region. So, sir, irrigation facilities are very much required. So, second is the perishability factor. Like Nagpur is the orange city. Nagpur is named as the orange city, but still food processing industries are not there. So, as a district magistrate, I would introduce the similar type of situation which is in Nashik, in Nagpur and other district which are good in producing such things like millet, soybean is also there. And the third will be providing some auxiliary income to farmers. Like Vidarbha is having very scorching heat, so farmers are not able to do the manual work efficiently in Vidarbha region. So, sir, some auxiliary income like animal husbandry or poultry farms can be made there, or can be made aware of to the farmers of PM Kisan schemes, Sampada schemes, Matsya Sampada schemes. Such schemes can be implemented well.
When is your interview?
Sir, it is on 18th of February.
Okay. Now tell me, your father is a self-employed own business. What does he do?
Sir, he is in retail business and an electrician, and he retails that switches, fans, nuts and bolts, and himself fits it.
Suppose he has to take a loan. From where will he take a loan? And what are the different levels? What is the cap? What is the ceiling? And what is the main source of loans?
Sir, he can take PM Mudra Yojana loan easily of
What does
Shishu
Mudra stand
category.
for? Are you aware?
Sir, I have read. I have to update myself. I have to recall. Sir, I will.
Okay, and can you give me the different levels?
Yes, sir.
under the-
Sir, first is the Shishu, which is 50,000, for which my father is eligible as of now. Second will be Kishore, 5 lakhs, and third is Tarun. In the last budget, I think the Tarun level increased to 20 lakhs. So, sir, these are the 3 levels.
25 minutes.
25. Okay, sir.
Okay. My last question to you is, what do you understand by women's empowerment and how will you implement it? What are the acts and schemes under which the government has introduced women's empowerment?
Sir, for me, women's empowerment is about providing equal opportunity to women, equity to women, and enhancing their capability. And sir, the schemes and acts which government have implemented for them is, first is the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana for girl child. Second is the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Third is the self-help group schemes like NABARD self-help group bank linkage program for their employment generation. And sir, some of the act like 106th Amendment Act which provides reservation to them. And sir, 73rd and 74th Constitution Amendment Act which provides the reservation in Panchayati Raj and municipalities. And also sir, fundamental rights also contain some provisions for them like Article 15D and 16D clause which is specifically for women, and some of the
What
direct.
does it say?
Sir, prohibition of discrimination against women, Article 15. But you can make some special conditions for women to provide them equality or provide them
Women.
Yes, yes,
Not
sir.
women.
Women, yes, sir.
You won Best Actress Award. So can you brief the character?
Yes, sir. Sir, I played the character of a witty daughter-in-law who was very selfish. Her husband was doing nothing. She is from a rural background. So for her, Pati is the Devta, and she is always supportive of husband, but taunting her father-in-law and cheating him.
And you were into sports and CSE also. Okay. So, what do you think that women will be playing a major role in India in the politics? Your view.
Yes, sir. Sir, a woman can play a major role in Indian politics by bridging the gaps in the legislation and acts. Some grey shade areas which are already there. Like in today's newspaper, Supreme Court has highlighted that menstrual hygiene is important and can form the part of fundamental right, Article 21. Women themselves can empathize to the situation and propose such legislation if they are in politics. And second will be, sir, that if women are more there, then it shows it is a symbol that we are an equal society. So more women are encouraged to be employed in other sectors also. So this provides a kind of leeway. Third is, if there are more women in politics, then the overall atmosphere worldwide also sees India in a good manner, that India is an equal society. So, sir, these in this way, women can contribute.
You are from Maharashtra. So, if I ask you, agriculture is important or technology is important, what do you suggest?
Sir, Maharashtra is a very diverse state, balancing both. Sir, for Eastern Maharashtra, agriculture is important, and for Western, technology is more important, as there are software parks, IT parks in Pune. But sir, if we are going to go in the middle, the Marathwada region, then we can see a mix, like genetically modified seeds being introduced by Krishi Vidyapits, balancing both farming and technology.
Vidarbha, they are asking for separate state also. So, do you recommend small states or larger states?
Sir, I recommend that it is not about size, whether it is a small state or larger state. It is about whether it can sustain itself. Like if I am going to talk about Vidarbha separately, then I don't think that Vidarbha should be separated, because most of the Maharashtra's budget come from Western Maharashtra, with some contribution from Nagpur also of 1.25 lakh crores somewhat. But Maharashtra's own GDP is around 45 lakh crores, which comes mainly from Western Maharashtra, and Eastern Maharashtra is getting subsidized. If we are going to get a separate Vidarbha, then there will be much more difficulties for Vidarbha to sustain itself. So I think, sir, it is not about size, it is about income and sustenance and social harmony.
Tell me about Iravati Karve.
Sir, Iravati Karve is an Indian sociologist who gave her theory about a system, the different type of family system, or the different type of lineage system, kinship system which exist in India, and she made a distinction regarding regions. Like in northern India, there are different type of kinship system. In southern, there is different, and she stated that how in northern India, Saptapadi is followed and 7 generations is followed, but in southern India the cousin marriages are also happening. So such kind of distinction she has made, which gave us an idea of the family system in India.
She also, her contributions with respect to racism. What are her contributions with respect to race and racism?
Sir, I am not aware of this. I will surely read.
Yeah, okay. What is Google tax?
Google tax, sir, it was a tax equalization levy, I think, which was 2%, but government has withdrawn it last year, because it was like a tax. If you are going to give an advertise on Google, so it was getting taxed. But because of this, some business was getting affected. So for ease of doing business, government has withdrawn the Google tax.
You are doing search engine optimization. I tell that search engine optimization is something which is anti-market and anti-competitive. What do you say? So that only few people will see what they want to see, or they will show everyone by doing search engine optimization. Is it not anti-market, anti-competition?
So I think it is more consumer oriented. Like if search engine optimization is not there, then the bot is going to crawl to any page. But if we are going to tag it properly, then the consumer is getting what he is searching.
No, my question is about it is anti-competition. Means what? A good quality is there, but he is not having awareness on search engine optimization in Google. So his product is not visible to all. So that quality product is not getting sold.
Yes, sir. Sir, but this is happening in all other sectors also. But in search engine optimization, there is a separate context that the person who is not having such resources can also get itself trained in search engine optimization. And sir, Government of India is also doing work like Digital India program was there in 2020. I myself did my course during that only. It was free for all. And during that, Google offered a search engine optimization specialization course for free. And now also it is available on Coursera. We have to just make people aware so that they can expand their domain and it does not become anti-competitive.
So whether is it a good idea? Andhra Pradesh government is also implementing the same, that below 16 years minors should not want to control the social media usage, which was also implemented in Australia. What is your views on the same?
Sir, I think that they are trying to ban. I think regulation is more important because social media can be used in other ways also. There are WhatsApp classrooms. There is social media snippets. Newspaper is circulating on social media. Every important news we can get on social media. So I think, sir, regulation is more important than banning them. There are certain provisions which can people made aware of them. Parental consent, like Digital Personal Data Protection Act also introduced digital consent, parental consent. So, sir, such type of things we can introduce and regulate social media.
So UGC regulations are good. This is my opinion. SC, ST, OBCs need some protection in higher educational institutions. So why there is a uproar?
Sir, I think there is uproar and the Supreme Court has stayed it not because of the protection it is given, but because of the separation it has given. Like there will be separate hostels. Sir, this can also imbibe in the mind of the people that they are different.
Then we have SC hostels, we have ST hostels, we have BC hostels in every state. Then is it not distinguishing people, separating the people?
Sir, it is based on affirmative action. Like we have Babu Jagjivan Ram Chhatravas Yojana for students. So, sir, that is about affirmative action. They are getting subsidized. But, sir, in all higher education, the fees is same. If there is a government education institute, then there must be somewhat subsidy, but they are same. They are paying same. So, they should be on the equal footing, I think.
But my opinion is the Supreme Court view is mainly there can be a chance of misuse, that general category people can be falsely framed. So if that is the case, it can be SC/ST Prevention of Atrocity Act, it can be Section 498A IPC, it can be now UGC regulations. So as you are already into the service and your third preference is IPS, what measures you will take that fake cases cannot be registered? It can be like this also, like sexual harassment at workplace.
Sir, the first measure will be preliminary inquiry. Before registering an FIR, we can get into the evidences, talk to people who are part of the same circumstance and get an idea of the whole story, both sides of the coin. And second will be, sir, usage of technology. Like we can get a hook of digital devices by getting permission, by getting sources. So second will be this. And third will be, sir, one-to-one connect. The police officer who is going to register can himself talk to both the victim and both the criminal with the help of a psychologist also. So these three measures can be.
And mainly, this is my final question in government departments, what will happen? There is a chance that they might not work, or they are from one particular group of association, so they might escape responsibility. So what measures we can bring such that they cannot misuse the law and they can also take the responsibility? For example, I will ask you one question. You are a district collector and one principal, government school principal came near you and asked that, sir, 2 teachers are there, they are not working, they are from one category, and I gave them show cause notice, but they are from one association, teachers association. So they are threatening me. So in that particular incidences, what will be your steps?
As a district magistrate. Yes. Sir, my step will be first to get into the grassroots cause, that who is the culprit here. Like there may be things that the person is making a false complaint, or there may be a thing that the teachers are not doing their work. So sir, I have to get into this. I have to see the attendance sheet. I have to talk to the students whom they are teaching, and I have to make points of that. Sir, second will be talking to the teachers herself or himself, that what are the reasons that they are not working. Maybe some other reasons, maybe they are facing discrimination so that they are not working, or maybe if they are female teachers, then household chores will be there. So I have to see that. And third will be, I have to see if they have threatened the person of false complaint. I have to make a mark. In future, if they are going to make a complaint, then it should not be simple registration. It should be based on some parameters. So these 3 steps I am going to take.